So on checkpoint number 2, this is the first time you're going to see a research assignment for that particular group of animals. And on this case, it's going to be the fish. So you can see below what you're going to do is this is a research off the internet. And for each group of fish, such as this one here called Agnantha and the osteocytes and the chondrocytes, etc., you're going to first find a picture of one of the representatives of the class, Agnantha, which there's several, and you need to give me its actual name. So I would just do a Google image search of Agnantha, see what you come up with, which one you find to be most appealing, and then you would give me its name. Then what you have to do is also in the same Google search, you can switch out of image and go to the web. And you need to give me 3 characteristics about that particular class. And I would number them. Literally, it's just easier so that you know what you need to do here. So I would just simply turn on the number and type in the number until you get 3. So I need 3 complete facts. So for each one of these, you will, for example, when you move on to the osteocytes, you would find a picture and its name. So it would give me a picture, and then underneath the picture, type in its name. And then here again, you would list 3 different facts. So you start with number 1, fact 2, fact 3. It's much easier to have them numbered than just run them all together, because then it's not so hard for me to figure it out. So this is what a research would look like. And again, remember, it's going to be just one of the 2 or 3 parts of this checkpoint that I talked about in the beginning instructions.